have found this fabulous Cherokee purple tomato. Now, when we look at it, we know that it's grown a little bit larger out of this pot. It may have been in the container or laying on the bed that someone's knocked it over a little bit. And we see it has a beautiful stem to it, but it's laying a little horizontal, right? And we go, oh, do I really want to pick that one? That one doesn't look like a tomato I want to plant. But we can solve this problem in a technique called tomato trenching. So tomato trenching involves still keeping this root system, but we need to do two things. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove any of these excess leaves. Pull these little suckers off. We're going to pull that little sucker off, and we're going to go ahead and pull this last one off. Now we're going to expose this stem a little bit right here. Now as we're going through, I also see that I have a sucker that's going to take away some of those nutrients from this plant, and we want to set it up for success because it's already struggling a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and take this little sucker right here, the one that's right here in between this main leader. Kind of can see we got one right here too. So all of those little ones I'm going to take off. Now this plant can be saved, and it's going to produce a lot of fruit throughout its life. But what we need to do now is we're going to take this out of its container, and we're going to check the roots. We have some healthy roots. It's been in here a little long, and they're starting to encircle, but they're still healthy. They're white. They're looking good. What we're going to want to do is we're going to take this plant, and we're going to dig a trench in our soil. We're dig out a small trench as we're going to plant it in our soil, and then we're going to lay this down in there in that trench. Now we're gently going to put soil over the top of the root ball. We're going to wiggle these roots apart a little bit. We're going to let those roots kind of wiggle out. Get them in there. We're going to lay it in that trench, and we're going to kind of bend this one facing upright slightly. And we're going to go ahead and put the soil over the top with that bended up top as it's exposed out of the soil. Now we can stake this, and if you're worried about it, you don't want to break that stem. It's going to be in the soil, but you can allow it now to grow upright. As it's growing upright, you can stake it at that point. But you want to allow this to be in there for about a week in the soil before you start to stake it. It's okay if it still lays down a little bit. The point is to allow some pressure, as you can kind of see, pressure point it down with that soil, so now that it have it to go upright. This will create roots along this base of the stem. They'll extend out some fresh roots as it's touched that soil, and this will grow up, and it'll be producing a nice tall plant, producing lots of fruit throughout this season. Again, this is called tomato trenching. You want to lay it in the soil, and you'll be able to have the fruit. Once it's growing, it will be the same as a regular healthy plant that you planted that was really small, a 2 or 4 inch plant. This will be the same in that structure. You just have to be really careful as you're bending it upright that you make sure that you don't break the stem, because then that may cause some more issues. If you have any more questions about tomato trenching or any other questions about growing tomatoes, please visit the University of Illinois Extension website or follow our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks on how to take care of your garden plants this season.